Okay, so I'm here at American Mufflers, just kind of waiting. It's 2 o'clock. Might be here for a while. I'm gonna see how much they quote me and kind of go from there. And dude, I'll be excited if I do it. Hopefully they don't charge me too much, because I ain't trying, I already have a limit. It's hot as fuck, so I'm gonna wait in a second and keep you guys up. So stock exhaust is out, cut, gone. Basically we're gonna do a 3-inch all the way back to 2.5 MagnaFlow mufflers and some aftermarket tips as well. And see how good it looks. Okay, so we finally got exhaust on. And let me show you how it looks. It's pretty good. Okay, you guys, well, finally home. I'm tired as shit. It's hot as fuck. But basically, this is how it looks. You can totally smell it's burning off the exhaust. But it looks good. I like the tips. Ooh, the bottom looks sick. That's gonna be some pictures right there. Oh yeah. I'll try and rev it, but I can't really rev it by myself and having the camera like stand up. Let me see real quick. That's how it sounds now. It sounds pretty good. Once I get that downpipe in, it's gonna be a lot louder than that. And yeah. So that's pretty much the end of the video. I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.